Alrighty, we are working on long division for the next week and a half or so, and this is the traditional way that parents will have learned in school, but I just want to go over it to make sure that we're on the same page here. So for this particular problem here, we're going to do 3,628 divided by 4, and our steps, what we say in class, is divide, multiply, and subtract, bring it on down, and bring it on back. And what that means is bring down the next number and then repeat the process, go back to divide. So here's what that looks like. We start with divide, so we ask how many 4s can go into 3. Right, obviously you can't do that, so you do how many 4s go into 36. Right, and that answer is 9, so that goes up on top of the house. That's what I call the division symbol there. Then we multiply 9 times 4, and we get 36. Subtract. 36 minus 36 is 0. Bring it on down and bring it on back. We bring down the 2. And we bring it back to dividing. Okay, this is where a lot of us get stuck. So when we divide, we now ask ourselves how many 4s go into 2. Okay, so if I only have 2, I can't make a group of 4, right? So I have 0 groups of 4, 0 up on top. Okay, then you multiply 0 times 4, 0. Subtract 2. Bring it on down and bring it on back. So again, we start back over with division. How many 4s can go into 28? Okay, that's going to be 7. Multiply 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract is 0. And now our next step would be to bring it on down, but since there's nothing left to bring down, this right here would be our quotient, our answer, 907. Okay, here's another example over here we'll look at quickly. If I have a double-digit number, I have a 12, I need something that 12 can go into, so how many 12s go into 26 is what I'm going to be looking at here. All right, I know I can get 2 12s into 26 without going over. So now I'm going to multiply. 2 times 12 is 24. Then we subtract. 26 minus 24 is 2. Bring it on down and bring it on back. So bring down the 5, and we repeat the process. We go back to dividing. How many 12s can go into 25 without going over? So again, that answer would be 2. Now we multiply. 2 times 12 is 24. Subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. There's nothing else we can bring down, right? And we have this 1 left over. This is our remainder. Left over, that's a remainder, capital R. And then this number here, 1. Okay? So our quotient, our answer is 22 remainder 1. Alright, the most important thing to remember when you're doing this division is to keep everything lined up nice and neat. When things start to get crooked or they're not lined up, that's when we make the mistakes. And always remember, after you bring it down, you start over with dividing. Number in front of the house, how many can go into the new number you made. Let me know if you have questions, and hope this helps.